Promoting a Healthy Environment, the COVID-19 edition. This year, we are facing so many different circumstances. Sally is having to learn how to quickly adapt to her new lifestyle to keep her and her friends safe from this sickness at school. Let's live a day in the life of Sally at school. Every morning, when Sally wakes up to get ready for school, she takes a shower to get rid of her germs. She also washes her clothes frequently so that her clothes do not hold germs. When Sally arrives at school, she makes sure to have her mask on. If she coughs or talks with others, this helps prevent some of the germs from spreading. When Sally does her very best to stay 6 feet away from her friends and teachers. This helps with the stopping of the spread of germs. When we touch each other, we can share our germs. When Sally touches others or uses the restroom, she washes her hands with hot water and soap for 30 seconds to get rid of the germs. Sally is also sure to use Germ-X throughout the day. Be like Sally throughout your school day and keep you, your friends, your family, and others healthy.